Peggy. Peggy.
Hello?
Right, me have to call it, right? Peggy, you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
And Peggy this on Pantan Lane.
Yeah.
Rascal. Peggy.
Yeah?
I'm going to tell you this one rascal. Tap wake up in Ratty Lane with a cussing. I cuss off the picking the man and tell you I cuss the husband boy in stink. When I up and go back a foreign, and boy you're a Christian.
Who this?
You're going to say who this? Me live pan the lane to you know. Every morning to bless a woman I get up. I cuss off in pitney them. And the husband boy the man stink. The man stink and you did that with him? Talk the truth now.
Who tell us every morning to get up and cuss off me?
So now you wake up in lane every morning.
Stop calling me drunk. Stop calling me about me I wake up every morning.
Peggy, me I call the name.
Thinking about dirty girl. And anybody who are planning to tell you about Peggy, don't call me your name out.
Me I call the name.
Show yourself, dirty girl.
Show up on self. Now I lane me live.
Dirty rotten girl. Dirty rotten girl. Anybody who want to tell about me I wake up.
Me I tell about what? They no mean I scheme.
Go suck yourself up. Yeah, me a Christian. I will tell you to go suck yourself.
Yeah, Christian and you ball and I pray.
Anybody who want you to chat me.
Me a chat him.
Go to the crutches.
Go look about crutches.
Stinking dirty girl. Stinking dirty girl. Who see you? Who see you?
Peggy, know what you are doing now, Peggy.
Go suck your stinking dirty self. Go suck out your mama. Go suck out your daddy. And all I send me name. I send me name and I carry me name too. Drunk cross. Stop calling me name.
Me I send name up on him and me live up.
I tell you, dirty girl. Dirty thinking girl. Dirty thinking girl. Who you get this message from? You and them go suck out on yourself. Stinking dirty girl.
Oh, yeah, upon him. Hey.
No, you can't tell me from God church. Oh, no, can't tell me
from God church. All the man.
I saw you all the while. Stop. On take all type of argument from people and then you talk. Don't come near me, you dirty thing.
Who do all the while?
Go wash your dirty. Go wash your dirty mouth and your dirty pussy. Thinking dirty girl. Thinking dirty girl. And God church go tell you, say, me tell you say your pussy stink. Thinking dirty girl.
Peggy, what kind of Christian are you, woman? That bulb, you know, me send two girls to cover your own a Pantan Lane. You don't even know who you are doing, you know.
Me know where this come from, but you can't stop me.
Oi.
You can't stop me. Me know where this come from.
Where that come from?
Dirty thinking, girl. Me know where this come from.
Where?
You come in there thinking dirty mode. Drunk, how come in there thinking? And if you don't want me to tell people anything, go take them out and suck out them body, suck them cocky, suck
after me not know who you are talking about.
Right here, dirty thinking, girl. Drunk, no come out for me. I'm not dirty family and friend enemy. Dirty family and friend enemy. Kiss me ass, dirty girl.
What you talk about family?
Fuck yourself, dirty girl. Or fuck your man, dirty girl. Thinking girl.
But you know, so they put that woman and me say, hey, but. What she do? Peggy, what you do? Come on, Peggy. Peggy, bud.
You have been reached.
Boy. No, boy. Peggy angle me. From here, go Pantan Lane, me know say Peggy dark. Anybody from Pantan Lane, man. That means you're not lie.
You have been reached.
That means you're not lie, Peggy.
Of the number 18.
Peggy,